In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage permission profiles in DocuSign. Whether you're new to this platform or just looking to refine your skills, understanding how to effectively manage permission profiles is essential for maintaining control over who can access and modify documents within your organization. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate over to the Admin tab in your DocuSign account. This tab is your gateway to all the administrative settings that help you customize your experience and maintain security across your document management process. Once you've clicked on the Admin tab, you'll find yourself in the main settings area. Over on the left panel, you'll see various options listed. Look for the one labeled Permission Profiles. Click on that to access the management interface for your permission profiles. In the Permission Profiles section, you have several powerful tools at your disposal. Here you can create new profiles to tailor specific access levels and permissions to fit distinct roles within your organization. This is particularly useful if your organization has diverse roles that require different document privileges. When creating a new profile, consider the tasks and access each role needs, so you set appropriate permissions that ensure both productivity and security. Additionally, you can edit existing profiles. It's important to note, however, that while you have the ability to modify created profiles, default profiles provided by DocuSign are not editable. If you find the default profiles don't meet your needs, creating a new customized profile is a good alternative. Another feature you might find useful is the ability to delete profiles. This can come in handy if you find outdated permissions that no longer serve your team's needs, allowing you to streamline your settings and keep only the most relevant profiles. Likewise, downloading profiles can be beneficial for creating backups or for sharing profile settings as references within your team, ensuring everyone is aligned on how permissions are structured across your documents. Managing permission profiles effectively not only enhances the security of your document workflow, but also ensures your team operates within the parameters you've set, reducing the risk of unauthorized access or unwanted document changes. Remember, these settings are crucial. Regularly reviewing and updating them as your organization grows and changes can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. That's all it takes to manage permission profiles in DocuSign. By leveraging these tools, you'll keep your document management secure and efficient. Stay proactive about managing these settings to ensure everything runs smoothly. Thanks for tuning in and happy DocuSigning.